If your marriage is broken down and you want to progress with a divorce, or you've received a petition from your spouse, what's next? The first step, the divorce petition, must confirm that the marriage has broken down irretrievably because of one of 5 facts, as a no-fault divorce is not yet available in the UK. This petition will be issued by the court and sent to your spouse with an acknowledgement of service, which they must complete and return. If your spouse is likely to avoid this, it may be necessary to arrange for the documents to be personally served. Once service has been confirmed, the petitioner can apply for decree nisi. Decree nisi confirms that the court will grant the divorce requested, but the parties remain married at this stage. 6 weeks and 1 day from the date of the decree nisi, the petitioner can apply for the decree absolute, which will finalise the divorce. In many cases, it will be advisable to wait until the financial matters have been concluded before seeking decree absolute. Speak to our experienced family team at IBB Solicitors about your specific circumstances.